Have you ever wondered how to say that you started doing something in the past and it's still happening right now? That's why exactly we use the present perfect continuous tense. Stick with me, and in the next few minutes you will master these tense step by step. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, English Talks. I'm really glad you are here today. In English, we often need to talk about actions that began earlier but are not finished yet, or maybe just finished but the effect is still clear. That's where present perfect continuous comes in. It combines the idea of the past, the present, and continuity, all in one tense. Today, I will show you how to form it, when to use it, and of course, give you lots of examples so you can start using it confidently. Okay, the structure is very simple. It's subject plus have or has plus being plus verb plus ing. For example, I have been reading a book, or she has been working all day, or they have been studying English since morning. Please notice that we always use have or has, then been, and finally the verb in ing form. We use this tense in three main situations. Number one, actions that started in the past and are still happening. Just like I have been living in this city for 5 years, or she has been working here since 2020. Number two, actions that recently stopped but the effect is visible, like he's tired because he has been running, or my hands are dirty because I've been painting. Number three, to emphasize duration. We have been waiting for 2 hours, or they have been talking all night. If you are enjoying this lesson so far, don't forget to give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss future lessons. Signal words. Remember, there are some keywords that often come with these tense, like since 2019, since last week, and for 2 hours or for a long time, and lately, recently, all day, the whole morning, and so on. For examples, I've been studying English for 3 years, or she has been playing the piano since she was a child. Common mistakes. A lot of learners confuse present perfect with present perfect continuous. Remember, use the present perfect if you talk about the result. For example, I have written 3 letters today. Focus is on the result, but use present perfect continuous if you talk about the process or duration. For example, I've been writing letters all morning. See, the focus is on the activity, not the result. Like in other tenses lessons, negative and question forms. For negative form, just add not after have or has, like I have not been working, or they have not been waiting for long. And for question forms, move have or has to the beginning of the sentence, like have you been studying, or what have they been doing all night. Notice that for WH questions, like what, how long, why, and etc., just put the question word before have or has. Now we have the practice time. It's your turn and try to answer these questions. You can pause the video and write your answers in the comments. Write your answers in the comments, and that's it. Great job! Now you know how to use the present perfect continuous tense. And remember, it's all about actions that started in the past and are still happening, or just stopped with the effects in the present. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more grammar lessons, and share it with your friends who also learning English. And of course, don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson. See you in the next video.